In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can fix error not delivery available at checkout. Now we are going to discuss all the solutions you can do to fix this problem. This is going to be very annoying, especially if you are receiving a lot of messages from your customers saying that no delivery available at checkout. Now that's going to be very bad, okay, especially if you are going to miss a lot of orders. Now what you guys need to do to fix this problem, okay, so let's start with small things. Okay, let's start with small mistakes a lot of people make, especially when they actually check the product size, okay, or check the product weight if it's correct. Okay, a lot of if you make a small mistake there, customers will see that message that says no delivery available at checkout. Okay, they will receive that error. Okay, so make sure the size and weight is correct. Okay, check the product page, because the shipping service services will not be able to ship the product if it's above their limit. For example, the weight is very it's heavy. Okay, you have entered the wrong weight and you think that it's correct. Okay, so you just need to make sure everything is correct. Now after that, you just need to click on settings at the very bottom left, and you want to click on markets. Okay, here. So after, guys, you click on market, as you can see, if the countries that have a problem when they are trying to purchase the items from you, they are in the international market, you are shipping internationally, click on international and make sure you click on this inactive in the top and make sure you activate it. Okay, click on active. Now these people from this market, they will be able to purchase from me now because it's activated. But if it's inactive, as you can see, it says your customers can check out. So make sure you activate it, like I said. Okay, and then click on save. Okay, so if you are not allowed to activate it, that means you haven't set up the shipping rates for this for the international market. Now you just need to go to shipping and delivery, and you want to click here on general all products. Scroll down, okay, and here you will find here international, as you can see. Okay, now you just need to click on add rate, and you want to add rate for the international markets. Okay, so for example, I'm going to add, let's say I'm going to add $10, for example, or zero. You can add free shipping 000. Anyway, after you add the shipping rates for this market, you can also delete it and create another one if you want. Okay, so like I said, that's exactly, guys, how you can enable. Now make sure for example, also click on shipping and delivery, and then you want to click on new profile. Okay, name this whatever you want, and here add the products that you want, that you have a problem with. For example, if you have all the products, you can select all products. Here you want to add shipping zone. I would like to ship to Europe. Okay, so you just need to select countries that you would like to ship to. North America, click on done. Name the zone, for example, international, and then click on done, and then click on add rate. Make sure you add rate, always add rate. The shipping fees is very important. It's add, then click on save in the top. Okay, now after that, as you can see, right now we have successfully added that. We have added only this product. You can also add multiple products. You can select it you can select all products if you want, like I'm going to do right now. Click on save. It's also that's it. That's exactly how you can create a profile. Now see if it works now. Okay, so check now if you still have that problem. If you still have that problem, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment, so I'm going to tell you exactly what to do. Just go to the comments and tell me exactly if you still have that problem or not. Okay, hopefully this one, guys, helped. If it does, leave a like, subscribe to the channel. See you guys in the next video.